मूवीज और उसके बाद थोड़ी सी शान पट्टी मारे, बाहर जाके थोड़ा रोड पे फ्रीक आउट करे, थोड़ी सी लड़कियों को पटा ले, थोड़ा सा मजाक कर ले. दिस टाइप ऑफ एटीट्यूड इज मोर. एंड ऑफ कोर्स यंग एज में तो ये होता ही है. व्हाट वी हैव सीन फ्रॉम आवर एज टिल नाउ, टू बी फ्रैंक, ये तो सच्चाई है which everybody has to accept. But at this age, some of those children only, some of those age group only are focusing at those hungry people on the road, hungry animals on the road, hungry children who are just moving around, holding the hands on their stomach, looking for the food to the people. Nowadays most of them ये कोविड सिचुएशन और इस तरह के सिचुएशन में किसी को खाना देने के लिए भी ऊपर से ऐसा फेंकते हैं या डाल देते हैं. और आई सीन दिस पीपल खाना मिला के, कोई कोई जिसका हैंडीकैप है उसके मुंह में भी खाना खिलाया हुआ है. दैट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट पार्ट. आई सैल्यूट यू. कोई ठंड में ठिठुर रहा है, पेड़ के नीचे पड़ा हुआ है. दे हैव बिकम अ सिंगल पीस लाइक अ गनी बैग ऑफ राइस. पता ही नहीं चलता कि इंसान है कि बियम बस्तानु ఏదో పడి ఉంది అనేసి. बट they themselves realizing and going to them, feeling कि अरे इसके पास कपड़ा भी ढंग का नहीं है, he is not having a blanket to cover, and they going back again, getting a blanket and covering that person on the road. This shows how much humanity is there in them. చూస్తే మనసు తరుక్కుపోతుంది. And while when I see that there are ex-NCC cadets, it makes us proud. It was really very nice when I've seen these scenes on the road in the pics. Sometimes most of our children also, they came back and said, "Ke wrote me the mummy." Some people, I think, I've seen somewhere they are distributing food and all. अरे इंसान तो इंसान है, जानवर भी. कोविड के टाइम पे जानवर भी बाहर ऐसे घूम रहे थे. उस वक्त they had been feeding the animals also on the roads. That is the best part. And moreover, when the police people, they were chasing. Can you all listen to me at the end without mic? Please come forward.
So when I seen people, please come forward. During the COVID season, the police was busy in making all the cadets, roadside people, those who are unnecessarily coming onto the road and moving around on the road. The police was stopping them, still others were not listening. The police was continuously fighting for 24 hours. During that time, these people were going and helping those police people also, distributing the tiffins as well as tea to those people. See, जिसको ज़रूरत है उसको कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है, उसको भी खाना खिलाया. लेकिन जो ड्यूटी कर रहे हैं और उस ड्यूटी के दौरान भी उसको कोई देखभाल नहीं हो रहा है, उसकी भी देखभाल करने वाला रंगीन यू सेना. Really, I've seen you also and Prashant also. Great work, really great work. And not only that, यहाँ तो खत्म हो गई बात कोविड के सिचुएशन की, कि किसी को बाहर आने का परमिशन नहीं है. दे हैव टेकन द परमिशन एंड कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड टुवर्ड्स द पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट पीपल आल्सो. कांस्टेबल्स जो 24 घंटे खड़ा है और लोगों को बाहर अननेसेसरी जाने से रोक रहा है, इनकी भी सेवा कर रहे हैं. उसके साथ साथ व्हेन दिस रेन हैज ट्रबल्ड हैदराबाद सिटी, the most wanted city in across the world, the most adaptive city across the world is Hyderabad. Yes or no?
Yes.
And ऐसे हैदराबाद सिटी को पानी ने इतनी बुरी तरह से घेर रखा था. And during such time also these people have gone along with their ANO Captain Siddiqui. Sorry, Major, no? Yeah, Major Siddiqui, when he has supported them, and even these people have gone out and pulled out the dogs also. They have pulled out the small children from that water immersed houses and contributed to them. whatever service was possible with them, with the help of NDRF also. You have contributed your services to NDRF also, I believe. And even the police and कुछ भी नहीं, किसी ने बुलाने से भी आता नहीं है कोई. But you people have taken your own interest and going forward to help this situation also is really a great endeavor which you have put in. Salute to you here also. आज मैं अपने आप को कम महसूस कर रही हूँ. I am feeling so low in front of your contribution what you have done. It is really a great sign of the future India that the youth of this country, which is forming almost 34% of world's youth. Out of complete world, there are only 16% youth. So, इस youth के अंदर highest is our Indian youth. And this Indian youth is contributing so much towards humanity. They are creating situation for employment. They are creating food for the needy. They are creating educational standards for those who are not able to get their education in the villages. They have been dreaming of. And almost Rangin Yosena has completed 5,000 strength within India.
Yes.
And across the world, as Khushbu said, it is 10,000. It's really a great spread of the humanity across the world. I feel that with this zeal and enthusiasm, wherein in today's youth, which is going in a wrong track, they are brought back to a track wherein the humans are benefited at the most, and the youth who are trying to focus on their career as well as the society. दुनिया में क्या है, बहुत बड़े बड़े बंगले बना सकते, बड़े बड़े कार ले सकते, लेकिन कितने दिन जियोगे और कौन से नाम से जियोगे? हाँ? Today in this world, you know, తెలుగులో ఒకటి తినడానికి తిండి లేని స్థాయి నుండి తినడానికి సమయం లేని స్థాయికి వెళ్ళడం కాదు విజయం అంటే కదా. తినడానికి తిండి లేని స్థాయి నుండి తినడానికి టైం లేని స్థాయి వరకు వెళ్ళడం కాదు సక్సెస్ అంటే. when you are eating and at the same time you are providing food for sufficient people who are not getting it is a great success, and that is Jangal. I think you all can do great wonders, and all the best for each and everyone whoever is contributing here. At the same time, I also request you all to concentrate on your career, as well as at the same time, whatever you are doing, through that you provide your service to the society. Make everybody learn to live in any type of adverse situation and fight for life. That is more important than giving them everything ready-made. Presently, whatever you are doing, it is really great. At the same time, you educate them also to stand up, not to get perturbed, not to get a low feeling. Understood? And try to develop their mental health also by boosting up those people and motivating them to stand up by themselves and work hard by themselves. Provide them certain situations wherein they can work for themselves and contribute to the society. Okay? Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for this